Redacted started off as a fast and loose prototype internally. It was really about making really cool and fun, engaging content. Coming off the Callisto Protocol, we really needed to rethink our development practices. InstaLOD allowed us to generate LODs, it allowed us to do material merges. On TCP, some of the assets we had made previously were 10x more expensive than what we could afford to do for a game like Redacted. We needed to optimize characters for what we could afford on screen. InstaLOD allowed us to be really iterative with our performance, working with design, concept, all our supporting departments to really find the fun of our characters and enemies. Over the course of development, InstaLOD was definitely a cornerstone tool for us. InstaLOD allows you to take a lot of the hard work away and a lot of the manual effort away. Honestly, if we didn't have InstaLOD, this game probably wouldn't have been possible in the time that we had available to us. I personally love using InstaLOD. It's a great game-changing asset for optimizations, characters, hair, clothing, anything with physics. It gives you so many options. As a content creator, you just want to focus on the art. You don't want to worry about LOD. You don't really want to worry about optimization. All that's extremely important for game development. But with InstaLOD, they give you so many options and flexibilities to decide how you want to approach optimization, performance savings, and hit the technical limitations that you need to hit. Working inside a DCC, whether you want to be working inside of Unreal, you got plenty of options available to you. But with InstaLOD, you can do the art first and worry about that stuff later.
If you enjoyed this video, drop us a comment below and don't forget to subscribe. For the latest news about InstaLOD, please visit our website and follow us on Twitter. You can find all the links in the video description below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.